I'm Mr. Walsh, welcome back to my channel. I was really hoping that today would be the collection day of my new car. However, there have been a few delays, unfortunately, and then my backup video got cancelled. So here we are, morning of Sunday morning, panicking to get a video out. No, I asked on Instagram what you guys would like to see this week, if I was going to film a video. A lot of you just wanted to see a day in the life. A lot of you wanted to see some dancing, which I'm not going to do, although I did learn the WAP challenge. Thank you very much. And I'm 100% certain that it's totally inappropriate, so I won't be doing that. But here we are, in the day, in the life of me, in the day of the life of me. So here we are, a day in the life of me. This is not what I do every day. This is just my Sunday. I'm not doing a hell of a lot today. We have some people around for a barbecue, but this is kind of my routine-ish. I start with a wonderful cup of mint tea in bed. And then I come and have a cup of tea. This is honestly, this is not sponsored. This is the best thing I've ever purchased in my adult life. This Virgin Pure water machine. It is pretty amazing. It does hot and cold water. I'm gonna make my cup of tea now. And then have some breakfast. This is the most amazing milk ever. Also not sponsored. I think I'm just gonna say nothing sponsored unless I say it is. That's just how it is. So that's your hot water straight away. I'm particularly feeling knackered today, so we'll be putting some honey in my tea today. Honey, honey. And then I'm just gonna have some breakfast. Oh, my Manfrotto just arrived. Also not sponsored, but these guys are amazing. I buy this every week now, but there is, I do have a discount code. I think I might put that down in my box below, but I've obviously unpacked most of it. I've ordered 5 meals for the week, and then it comes like this. They have the most amazing produce. You've got your tofu, your fish, your salmon, and then they give you a like a little book to tell you how to make everything. I can't actually even remember what I ordered this week. I think chipotle. Chipotle is my life. Chicken, sweet potato, and avocado, and then it tells you how long it takes to cook, how many calories, protein, if you're doing all of that. I definitely ordered the bolognese. I ordered, oh, what else? It was such a difficult menu this week actually, because everything was amazing, and everything is gluten and dairy free, which is pretty amazing. And it costs, I think it costs like, that cost me like 60 or 70 pounds for 2 people for the week, and if I go out for a meal, obviously that's a lot more. So it comes in a little packet with numbers on, so the number relates to the number in the recipe book. And then everything comes packed like that, just the meat comes separately in a cooler thing. And how good is that? 5 meals, healthy as can be. Oh, and then also, this is not a sponsored video by the way, I've just, all my deliveries kind of arrived at once. I actually bought 16 pizza bases from these. I saw somebody on Instagram had a pizza night and they are 39 calories. I was like, what are these amazing things? So I ordered some, and then I posted about them when my sister was here about doing a pizza night, and then they got hold of me and they sent me this whole box of stuff. They do cake bars. These quite literally taste like cake. They are amazing and only 131 calories. Crazy. They sent Southern style coating. They've also got 2 recipe books, and then they've got all these like nice spices. I made the most amazing pizza last night. Super easy to make. I make the most amazing tomato sauce, if I do say so myself, tomato sauce. It probably takes the longest part, otherwise it takes 7 to 10 minutes to make. And I made it with ham and pineapple. And don't at me if you don't eat pineapple on pizza. I am South African and I like it a lot. And they were just amazing. Super easy to make and tasted fantastic. I think they were just under like 200 calories a pizza, so you can have 2 pizzas. Was it 200 calories a pizza? No, 200 calories in total. In total for 2 pizzas, so that's crazy. Anyway, back to the tea. Oh, with postman's here. Hello. Hiya.
Lovely.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Exciting time. I hate cleaning lettuce for salads. I have these gluten-free wheat bix basically. And then I put peanut butter on them and honey and some flaky things. I've had my tea and breakfast. That was boring for you to watch. We're gonna go for a walk. I have enjoyed walking at the moment. I'm definitely getting old. But I wanted to show you my plates, because obviously we are gonna talk about my car today. These are waiting here for my car to be delivered. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I couldn't find anything that had something that resembled a word, and then MEW. There was no Walsh or anything. These are all dusty, waiting to be collected. And this is the piano I bought in lockdown. La, 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 la. I was insistent on getting it, and I haven't played it once, not even once. So, oh, also I have an obsession with fake plants. I definitely lost my mind. This is my cactus. This is fake. This is fake. Look over here. This is fake. Cool, eh? How good are these? These are from Sainsbury's. How good does that look? And that's also fake. Anyway, okay, let's get my shoes. And let's go see if little doggy wants to go for a walk. Here he is. Let's go for a walk. Just go for a walk. Just go walk. Oh, have a little stretch before we walk. Yes. Oh, stretch them all. Stretch. Stretching. Yes. Go for a walk. William, wait. He's seen the camera. Oh, look, playing up. What a good boy. What a good boy. Go for a walk. Walk. Come on in. Go on in. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Now he's off. Watch. My Apple Watch, which is pretty good. However, the strap is completely black now. I don't know why that's like that. And then we say outdoor. Do I look at my passcode? We say outdoor walk. I don't know why there. On my walk. Walk. Oh, you want your. I know what he wants first. Sit. Sit. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Give me 5. 10. 10. Spin. Lie down. Lie down. 10. 10. Good boy. Spin. He normally gets really irritated. Here we go. Do you not want it? I'll take it back. No, he wants it. Alright, we'll let him have his treat and then we'll go for a walk. See you guys in a bit. You ready now? Go for a walk. Come on in. Come on in. He's off. He's off. Let's go. This is William. He likes treats and short walks. He also doesn't like to walk much and likes to be carried most places. You ready for your walk? Let's go. Let's go. Nice thing about living in the country is there's so many beautiful open spaces. Check over there. And usually there's no one around, so it's so nice. I make this part of my weekly routine now, 2 or 3 times a week. Come on. I go for a walk and it's really good for my headspace. I make some phone calls, I call home, I catch up with friends, or I just listen to a podcast or Headspace itself, which is pretty good. So this is me. I just go for a walk around the block. Depends how I feel, once or twice. Sometimes bring him, or where is he now? William, come on. He slows me down. Come on. Come on, little legs. Come on. He's off. He's off. This is actually also my running route as well, so when I really feel like it, then I come for a run and go the long route around. But yeah, it's really nice. Also fitness-wise, people are asking me to do a workout. And actually at the moment I will do a workout if you want me to. But at the moment I am training with the guys from FITTAF. Alex and Frankie, and these guys have honestly helped me so much. They've planned my workout routine. It's all online based, and then they check up with me all the time. They're pretty amazing. There's a Sunday check-in, which I've already done this morning, and then I chat to them throughout the week. If you are looking for online training, they're amazing. This is not a plug, well, this is a plug for them, but it's not sponsored. They're just brilliant, and they've changed my whole way at looking at working out, because I've been so lazy. I don't know if you guys have been lazy during lockdown. Oh my god, literally don't want to do anything. Come on, come on in, come on in, move those legs, work it, work it, work it for camera. Way. Anyway guys, I'm going to do my walk around the block, and then I'm going to do my FITTAF workout, but I won't film it just because it is specifically designed for me, and also, you know, it's part of my program, so I'm not sure that would be appropriate to film and share with you guys, although I can do my own thing and put it up on probably Instagram or YouTube, whatever you like. I'm going to go for a walk, and then we're going to get ready for the barbecue and do my workout, and this is kind of the morning of the Sunday of the day of my vlog in the life of Miss Emma Walsh. And yeah, my car, we'll talk about my car in a second and the update on that. I'll see you guys in a bit. Come on! This is what happens halfway through the walk. Absolute royalty, you. Huh? Look how he stands on my hand. Alright, we made it back. It was almost an hour actually. And we did almost 200 calories. So basically the pizza I ate last night. Okay. Right. So I'm going to make a iced coffee. Even though the weather is not so great. Iced coffee, and I'm starving, so I'm going to have an egg and ham sandwich. I need a cup. Iced coffee, sandwich. Clearly I've got a lot on my calendar this week. Look at my little niece. No. Every time. Okay, it's time to go shopping for the barbecue. I'm actually editing this video on the move because shock, I'm really late. Just having a barbecue, and then that's my Sunday really, and you'll be watching this. So I'll see you when we get to M&S. Right, we're at M&S. We got our shopping list for the barbecue, and now we shop. Okay, shopping's done. I'm running late as usual, shock. About my car, the reason why I'm actually making this video today was to update you on my car. So I was supposed to collect it this week, however it's been delayed. So the date it's arriving at the manufacturers is the 8th of September, so probably the 8th or the 9th I'm going to film it. Obviously I'll let you guys know. I'm so excited to tell you what it is, but I can't tell you just yet, so bear with me. A few more videos to go before we'll be able to do the reveal, but I'm very excited. Need to get ready now. People are coming over and I've not done a thing. Also need to edit this video, so I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to do a quick costume change before everyone arrives. I wish it was that quick. Guys, I've got to go because I've got to go and edit this video and make some food for all our guests. Hope you guys like this video. Hopefully next week will be more car content, and then hopefully the week after will be my new car reveal. Thank you so much all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. I'll see you all really, really soon. Bye.